How to use escape characters in Python. Do you know about the backslash characters in Python? Do you know how to get 2 backslashes or 1 backslash printed in your string? Let's take a look at the backslash escape character in Python, which is very important and common, so you definitely need to understand it. So here I have a string hello, and I want to split hello and the word into 2 separate lines. The backslash character you can use as something where you want to add in that unique character. So here we want to add a new line break between hello and word. You add a backslash. If you don't add a backslash, then you can see it will just simply print hello word. But by simply adding in a backslash n, what you can do is you can separate them into 2 lines, and the end character is treated as a new line character rather than as something that Python would actually print. You can do the same thing with the tab, so tab is with the letter T. Now again, if you remove the backslash, then essentially what you get is just the T space. But if you want that printed as a tab, then you have to use the backslash and the T. And then that would add a tab space in your printout. You can. If you want the actual backslash character to display, it may be hard to display a backslash if it's an escape character and you only had one of them. You can see it would print that backslash character for you. But if you wanted 2 backslashes, then you have a problem because it's not printing the 2 backslashes over here. Running this actually didn't do anything, so instead you have to escape that again. So backslash over here. Then you can see now we have 2 backslashes. So if you want another one, a third one, you've got to do backslash again, and that would give me 3 backslashes. So by having just one, it will actually print it. By having 2, you can see that it only prints 1. But if you have a third one, you can see that it prints 2. So there are multiple ways of dealing with this, but just remember, if you're not getting the right output, play around with the backslashes like this. As you can see, adding a third gives you 2. Adding a fourth if you still gives you 3. So this is how it's working. And then if you want to add a special character, such as a quote within a quote, you can see the string begins with a double quotation mark. If you want to escape the character there, you just add a backslash there, and that would give you high in quotation marks. If you were to remove the backslash, of course that does not give you the intended outcome. This actually gives you an error. So, by escaping the quotation mark characters, whenever you need to do something strange or include a strange symbol and it's not working, try to incorporate a backslash as the escape character and see if that works. At this point you might be wondering, can I use a /? For that reason, it just gives the normal character, so it didn't have any effect and it didn't treat the next letter after it as having any special meaning. So by adding a /, it does nothing. Just make sure yours is a backslash.